Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I am Marian Lasagnes. I live in City Daraga, Albay. I am 43 years old. I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 kids, ages 22, 16, and 13.
How many siblings do you have?
3 siblings.
And your order in the family?
Second born.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate
Why did you not go to college?
because I need to help my family.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have. I worked in Kuwait for 2 years. And my
And your duties are?
duties are cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing. And also I worked in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing.
How would you describe yourself?
I am flexible, hardworking, and honest.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have tattoo here and here, here visible, and then one here not visible.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, cesarean section last 2003, 2009, and 2013.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I need to help my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Now give me your idea. How can you take care of other children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them calmly.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I promise that I will be a good worker, and you can assure that I am hardworking and honest, and I promise that I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.